What's going on, guys? Today I'm joined with my sister. Her first appearance of 2023, isn't it?
Hello.
Today
Restart.
is President's Day.
Restart.
All right, so today is President's Day, so we have a three-way unboxing. We stopped by Target to pick up this Peppa Pig drink and play drink here. Looking very good. It's strawberry kiwi flavor. We're both gonna taste test.
Wait, does that come with a toy?
It does come with a toy. We had the chance of getting a Daddy Pig figure, a Peppa Pig, or a Rebecca Rabbit, and who knows who else we might get. Pedro Pony. I mean, that's what I'm hoping for. All right.
Then we have a Pokemon thing, trading card game.
We're doing a Pokemon.
Yeah.
I know you guys can't get enough of the Pokemon openings. I know everybody asked. I know you guys can't get enough of the Pokemon openings. I know everybody asked. I know you guys can't get enough of the Pokemon openings. I know everybody asked for it. This is Tyranitar V. What year did that come out, Lydia? 2021. This comes with 2 Battle Styles packs, a Vivid Voltage, a Darkness Ablaze, and 2 Sword and Shield packs. We're going old school, aren't we? And because today's President's Day, my grandpa stopped by Batesville, Indiana. He drove all the way out there to get some cherry donuts. So we're going to start the video by eating these for President's Day. This guy opened this company in 1963, and during that, they had, in the 1970s, he made it a tradition that every year he was going to make cherry donuts for the myth, because when George Washington supposedly chopped down the cherry tree, it's a myth. It didn't actually happen, but that's why they're cherry donuts. So we're gonna try one of these out and see how it tastes.
I will not be eating that.
No. One bite.
No. Watch it down.
I do like them. It'll be nice with some strawberries. All right, we're gonna open up the Peppa Pig. See if I can. Let me wash it down. I'll let you have first drink since I have the first donut.
Oh wait.
Is it open? How is it?
It
See,
kind
like-
of tastes like flavored water.
See, look, back when we were kids, they never had toys in the drinks. Now they got toys in the drinks.
Yeah.
Like it used to just be the drink. Man, this is the stuff, man.
Hold it up, let me see it.
This is the stuff, man. Kiwi. Very good.
Okay, time for the toy.
Open the toy up, Lydia. We're gonna see who we got. It comes in an egg. Move these donuts down here. They're off the table.
That might blow away. Alright.
All right. Who we get?
The grand reveal.
Freddie Fox. We got Freddie Fox. I remember this guy's name's Freddie, right?
No.
Isn't that his name, Freddie
I
Fox?
don't know. And there's a little.
I don't know. Is
Wait,
Sam.
we got him from the drink.
It doesn't say their names.
Oh, here's all of the things we can get so we can collect the whole set. Hey, let me know if this video gets 20 likes. I'll go out and make a hunting video at Target where I'm gonna try to collect all the figures. That'll be released in the next 2 months. If this gets 20 likes,
Make it see inside the drink.
Mommy Pig, all these guys, Daddy Pig, all the guys. Oh, we can even get Grandpa Pig too. Grandpa Pig.
Okay, give it.
Very nice. I mean, I don't know all the names.
Okay,
but
now for the card opening.
for the moment we've all been waiting for, the Tyranitar 10. We haven't done a 10 in a while, guys. I know you guys always have. For those of you fans that watched me back when I did monthly Pokemon card opening videos, you guys know the 10s. All right, Lydia's gonna throw these away for us. Thank you, Lydia. She's
Actually, okay.
all right.
Can I open a pack?
I told her she could open 1 pack,
I would open.
so she's gonna get like the best pools.
So first we have here.
Here's
on the pack,
Tyranitar.
we
Here's the
got it.
promo. This is the promo. Number 109. What? Brilliant. What the? Okay, we're getting all brilliant stars. They lied to me.
I would open this one.
This must be a reprinted 10.
I would open
Alright.
this one.
But here's
Do the
Tyranitar.
card trick for her.
Here's Tyranitar. Hold on. We gotta throw this junk away.
Are you still doing George Washington stuff? Did you eat one of them donuts?
There's Ron Shouse, guys.
There he is.
Welcome to the plantation.
Trent, tell him about the donut.
It was amazing. How many stars out of 10?
Liddy, did you eat
5
one?
stars. 5
You don't
stars.
want one?
No.
They got real cherries in it.
Yeah, I don't like cherries.
Oh my God, that's almost un-American.
You gotta at least try one of them.
Dirty Tommy.
Dirty.
All right.
Let him do the trick and then you can reveal him.
A good card here. Oh, we got a black border. That means it's gonna be a good card. Here's what
Hold
you
on,
do.
lad. Hold on,
Show him
lad.
the code.
Here's the code.
He's doing the card trick, then you got to do him one at
It
a
puts
time.
the rare to the back, so the rare's last.
Right now, give me this.
Do him one at a time.
Show him.
Okay, so first we have energy.
I'm gonna say, bring him over here.
I'm gonna drink the Peppa Pig drink. while he does this.
Energy. Cleansing gloves. I'm not gonna do that.
Sigalef. Perfect. Golette. Chimeco. But you gotta sound out the names.
Chimchar.
Very good.
Wait, I can't really see through the camera. Minkiko. Kino.
Oh, shoot, there goes the pack.
Magma Basin.
Magma
Basin.
Basin, reverse hollow,
Okay.
and a hollow Lucario.
Hollow
Halloween
Lucario.
Thanks. This is a great
So
drink,
that's
guys.
the thing.
Hey, I actually have like 2 of those. If any of you guys watched my Lucario V-Star box opening, I pulled like 2 of those in the same.
How's the drink? You never really talked
Oh, the
about
drink's
it.
freaking amazing. It tastes like kiwi. It actually tastes really good. And I don't even really like kiwis that much.
Can I put another pack of
Fine.
this up? Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna open. Which one you want? No, you open one of the Whimsicots.
Okay.
That's the last one you get. I get 3.
I like that chair, Trent. That's nice for sitting out in the yard.
So here we go. Guys, we're so unorganized right now. Lydia's gonna open this up. All right, just throw this stuff in here.
Oh wait, I see. So.
I'll leave the promos sit right here. So weird. I'm still eating this donut.
Oh, got it.
All right.
Card trick.
White border, that means it's gonna be a trash pack.
Oh, that.
We better get the best pools out of this. Slow start typically means good.
Okay, that's mine.
There you go. Brilliant Stars. I don't like Brilliant Stars too much. I was wrong by the sets because this is a reprint. Milcery, Carablast, Clefairy, Cherubi, Sock, the reverse hollow is a Haxorus. Is that a rare? That is a rare. You got a reverse rare. And then a Staraptor, regular rare.
Yeah, it's pretty good, I think. I don't really know.
Yeah,
That's pretty bad.
Trash
The
pack.
Haxorus ain't bad, no. All right, guys, not for my. We're gonna open Shaman first. Nah, Whimsicott. I got a good feeling about Whimsicott. All right, Lydia, I'll show you how the experts do it. Open doing a card. Oh, white black border, Lydia. That's what we like to see. Here's your code, ladies and gentlemen, for Brilliant Stars. I've opened plenty of Brilliant Stars packs here on the channel. All right, Psychic Energy to start things off here. With a fresh water set. Lydia, does this look good?
Yeah.
I want the fresh Daddy Pig drink set. That's what I wanted to pull. Maybe we'll get Daddy Pig Rainbow Rare. What do you think, Lydia? Cafe Master, a Weavile, an Impidimp, Staryu, good old Starly, Riolu, Milcery, Octillery Trainer Gallery. Let's freaking go. And the rare is a Whimsicott Full Art V. Let's go. Whimsicott Full Art. That is a good pull. Look at that thing. And it was a Whimsicott pack, too. Heck yeah, that's cool. All right, guys, that is a... Woo! Look at that thing. Oh, my God, that is a gorgeous card. Why is there a line right there? I feel like it's in bad condition. That's not in very good shape. But we did get a Trainer Gallery. We got a double. We got a 2 for 1. And then a Octillery Trainer Gallery. Brilliant Stars was the first set to include a Trainer Gallery. No, Lydia, you're not opening anymore. Nope. On top of the Trainer Gallery Octillery. Lydia, you can put your Haxorus in your Lucario Hollow. That was a good card, too. They've really all been hits. Ah, shrimp. Let's pick those up later. All right, 20 stars. I hate filming these outside. Oh, white border. All right, no one likes white borders. Here we go. Pack trick. Let's go, boys and girls. This is how we do it.
No, girls are
Oh, I screwed it up. It was a Luxray regular rare. Luxray regular rare. All right, that was trash. Here's everything else we got. We got some hunting gloves. A Staravia, Berry. Lydia, you think about Berry?
He's ugly.
Snow Runt, Nose Pass, Milcery, Cup Chew, Dedenne, and the Reverse Hollow is a uncommon Starmie. All right, that was garbage. But the god of all Pokemon, Arceus, with the brilliant star Arceus, will show us how it's done, right, Lydia? Lydia had a good feeling about this. Actually, Lydia went for it, so it's probably gonna be a trash bag.
Because I don't want.
I don't really want to look at the code
Fancy.
card. Dang it, the white border! Oh, shrimp. All right, there we go. Let's just do the pack trick, though. It's 4 from the back. I think I might have accidentally done 5 from the back in the last pack. Because I do that a lot. All right, guys. Lydia, how's a Peppa Pig drink? I don't think she really wants to drink that.
After you.
So we got a Fighting Energy, we got a Weavile again, Dusclops. These are all the same set, so that was kind of boring. Morgrim, Weasel, Hawlucha, Throw, Mincino, Baltoy. Hey, Trainer Gallery, Dusknoir.
Dude, we have to do plays.
Not freaking bad.
Guys.
And then a Wormadam regular rare. So some good Trainer Gallery stuff. I will take that.
Okay, get the camera.
Very good opening.
Wait,
Especially
no,
that
it's
Women's
not
Scott
over.
full art.
Since this drink is called a drink and play, it's now time for the play portion of this video.
All right, let's do it. Here, I'll cut.
Wait, I don't know if this is on the screen.
Ouch. I'm a little bit too big for this thing. Whee! Freddie Fox is having fun. God, that seems so. Oh, ah! I almost fell forward.
All right, that's enough playing.
Whee! Here goes Freddie.
Okay, one more thing.
What do I do with it?
Play with it.
All right, guys, so let's do a quick recap on these cards before we end it today. So obviously we got 2 pretty good Trainer Gallery pulls, being Octillery and Dusknoir.
I'm gonna say bye, Freddy.
Obviously the greatest card we pulled was definitely the Whimsicott V full art card. That was an amazing pull. Show here. And the Daddy Pig, of course.
Drink and play.
Drink.
Play is definitely the best part about it.
So with that, it's raining right now, so these cards are gonna get ruined. They put those in there, we'll find it later.
Bye, guys.
So a happy President's Day. I'm gonna chop down cherry treats. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna thank you guys for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Whack.